Hi everyone, my name is Raphael. I'm a French makeup artist, but you probably know me as Dolly Page. Today, I'm gonna transform from this to a beautiful dancing queen. First of all, I'm gonna put some tape on my face. It's gonna give a soft lift to my eyes. Next, I'm gonna block my brows to recreate a more feminine shape.
Tomorrow. If you don't love me now, you gon' love me tomorrow. Get it.
To move on with foundation, and today we create a drag look, so we need a lot of foundation.
Tomorrow.
Because we use a lot of cream contour, cream foundation, we're gonna set everything with powder, a lot of powder. After cream foundation, I'm gonna apply some blush and some bronzer. Next step, the eyes. We're gonna create a bigger crease with bright colors. Of course, we're creating a drag look, so we have to define the shape of the eyes. I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner. Just imagine you're gonna be on stage and dance all night, so we want something very, very intense for the highlight. First of all, I'm gonna use some powder highlight and next sparkles. Add some lipstick and a little bit of gloss. You just have to put a wig and now you are ready to be the dancing queen. Thank you so much guys for watching. It was Dolly Page. I hope to see you soon.